If one more person tells you to make $2,000 a month by selling a generic digital daily planner on Canva, run away. The market is flooded with pretty, useless PDFs. Today, we are skipping the basic advice. I'm giving you 10 hyper-specific, high-problem PDFs that desperate, busy people will gladly pay.
You don't need a massive social media following. 2 people anywhere in the world finding your link will see you make $70 per day.
Before I give you the 10 ideas, you need to understand why people buy. People do not buy digital products because they look cute. They buy them to save time, reduce anxiety, or make money. We call this problem intensity. If a mom is stressed about packing school lunches for a kid with severe nut allergies, that's high intensity. If an Airbnb host is terrified of a 3-star review because a guest can't figure out the hot tub, that's high intensity. Let's go to the PDF ideas. Idea 1, the sandwich generation. Emergency binder. Nearly 1 in 4 adults are now sandwiched between raising their own kids and managing aging parents. A medical, financial, and elder care transition checklist is a great idea targeting this group. When a parent suddenly falls ill, adult children have zero clue what paperwork, power of attorney, or medical history is needed. A beautifully structured 15-page PDF that guides them through what to gather before the emergency targets deep, emotional relief, and they will pay for this peace of mind. Ideal 2. The ADHD-friendly daily dopamine routine builder. The neurodivergent digital product space is booming. Instead of traditional hourly schedules, this PDF works by letting the user choose tasks based on their fluctuating energy levels, low, medium, high, and gamifies daily wins. It is highly specific and targets a deeply passionate audience. Idea 3. The local business SOP blueprint. Small local business owners like pet groomers or cleaning services want to hire help, but they are too busy running the business to write training manuals. The PDF product, a new hire onboarding and daily checklist. You can create a generic fill-in-the-blank template in Canva that outlines daily tasks, opening, closing procedures, and customer service rules. A bakery owner will gladly pay $97 to buy a template rather than spend 20 hours writing one from scratch. Ideal 4. The short-term rental crisis house manual. Template. Airbnb hosts live and die by 5-star reviews, and the #1 source of bad reviews is poor communication regarding how to use complex smart TVs, hot tubs, or handling minor house emergencies. The PDF product. A customizable guest welcome book and emergency guide template. Hosts will buy templates to save time and protect their business. They buy it on Etsy or Pinterest, fill in their property info, and save themselves late-night guest phone calls. PDF Idea 5, the pitch guide for influencers. Brands are moving away from expensive mega influencers and aggressively hiring people with 1,000 to 5,000 highly local engaged followers. The PDF product, a nano influencer pitch deck and cold email template PDF. Everyday creators want to make money but don't know how to pitch themselves. By providing a PDF filled with literal copy and paste email templates and a clean media kit template, you help them pitch local businesses. Idea 6, the insurance-ready home asset binder. After a fire, flood, or break-in, insurance companies routinely underpay claims simply because homeowners cannot prove exactly what model numbers, serial numbers, or receipts they had. You can create a clean, room-by-room fillable PDF that prompts homeowners to snap photos and log high-value items and save it to the cloud. It is a highly practical digital product sold easily on parenting or home organization Pinterest boards. Idea 7. The 10-minute allergy-safe school lunch matrix. Child food allergies are at an all-time high, and parents are utterly exhausted by the mental gymnastics of packing daily lunches that are nut-free, dairy-free, and actually kid-approved. The PDF product. A 5-week allergy-friendly lunchbox blueprint. Parents can mix and match safe proteins, carbs, and snacks in 30 seconds flat, complete with pre-made clickable grocery lists. It solves a daily high-stress parenting problem. Idea 8. The quiet luxury stock video search term cheat sheet. Faceless creators are struggling because their B-roll videos look generic or cheap. The PDF product. A curated aesthetic search codes and stock video vault. PDF. You do the hard work of finding the exact search terms, hidden databases, and video links, and package them into a simple, clickable PDF resource sheet. Idea 9. The brand style guide generator for boutique retailers. Come up with a brand identity guide Canva template. Why it works. This is a PDF template that helps a business owner lock in their brand fonts, hex color codes, and visual tone of voice in under an hour. It gives them high-end design credibility without the high-end cost. Idea 10. The first client welcome pack for virtual assistants. Thousands of women are trying to become freelance virtual assistants, but the moment they actually get an interested client, they freeze because they don't know how to formally onboard them. Aspiring VAs will gladly pay $27 to $37 for a template that makes them look highly professional to their very first high-ticket client. It includes a step-by-step PDF detailing what access passwords they need, how they will communicate, and how invoices work. Now, look, I know what some of you are thinking. These ideas sound amazing, but I have zero clue how to actually write a 15-page guide. I don't know what prompts to type to get high-quality content, and I definitely don't know how to begin selling. And that is completely normal. Having the ideas is only 10% of the equation. The hardest part is always the execution, especially when you are trying to build this business in the tiny cracks of your day between changing diapers, making dinner, and desperately trying to get a moment of peace. You don't have 40 hours to sit down and figure out prompt engineering by trial and error. You need this to work, and you need it to work fast. Because I want to see you actually hit that $2,000 a month goal, I've put together the ultimate shortcut for you. It's my complete step-by-step blueprint called From Idea to Income. This isn't a fluff-filled book of theory. It is a highly practical plug-and-play guide that walks you through how to create digital products easily using AI. I'm giving you the exact copy and paste ChatGPT prompts I use to extract highly specific problem-solving content so you never have to stare at a blank page again. Plus, I show you exactly how to package, price, and sell these PDFs without ever needing to show your face on camera.
If you are ready to stop just watching videos about making money and actually start building your own passive income stream this week, I've left the link to From Idea to Income in the description below. Let's get you to that first $2,000 month.